Okay, so somebody told me that my face needs to be moisturized, so we're gonna put on a face mask, but we're also gonna make a boom bap beat today, so let's get to work. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, welcome. I highly encourage you to subscribe. Please turn on that notification bell and give this video a thumbs up so other people can see the video and be like, damn, the video kind of dope. The video's kind of dope. So, in today's video, we're going to make a boom bap beat. Just going to keep it old school. I already have a drum pattern I created on the drum rack. We're rocking with Ableton. We're rocking 81 BPM. And the difficulty today is trying to figure out where I'm going to get my melody from. So that's what we're gonna decide together, cause that's what friends are for. But first, we're gonna get this face mask going. Okay, so like I said, someone told me that I need to moisturize my face, and apparently this is something you're supposed to do frequently. Otherwise, your skin dries up, and then like as you get older, you look older, and ain't nobody trying to look old as they get older. So, got this at Target. And basically, the first step was to wash my face. I already did that. And the next step is to just put this on my face and wait 20 minutes. So we're going to do that together. It's kind of sticky icky. Fun fact, I'm 31 years old. That's not fun. That's kind of sad. But I have been ID'd to buy video games, and that always makes me feel good. I'm like, yes. All right, here we go. Okay. I probably should have used a mirror. That would have been the responsible thing to do. But, you know, we fucking around Saturday night. This is what happens when you ain't got shit to do on a Saturday night. So you take care of your face. My sister said I look like Blue Man Group without the drums. But it's okay, because we got our setup. And so, this is what the drum pattern sounds like. Okay, so our face is nice and moisturized. Apparently my skin is glowing. Happy for that. We got some hot coffee because it's raining outside. And I found a loop that I like. It sounds like this. So what I did was I transposed it, I chopped it up, and I haven't decided how I'm going to chop it up, but this is what I have so far. So now the goal is to just, you know, see what comes to mind and make a melody happen. So let's do that. But anyways, we have more pressing matters at hand, and that is that this right here, check it out. You see this right here? So if you guys have been watching the channel for a while, number one, I truly appreciate it because I am a mess. This room is a mess. But anyways, once again, my Gemini indecisive ass has decided to move this. So what we're gonna do is today, we're gonna yank everything out, put it on top of the bed. It's gonna make the dog super uncomfortable. Even though he's taking his nice little nap. Sorry, buddy. His name is not Buddy, his name is Guido. And he's not Italian. So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna flip it vertically once again, and we're gonna put it up against that wall right over there. That's a mess over there. And yeah, this is gonna clear up some space over here. I don't want this anymore over here. It is 2 days later. Surprisingly enough, I actually got everything done in that day. It took me like an hour, and considering my attention span, I'm surprised I got it done. But anyways, take a good look. Desk is still in the same spot, whatever. And then this is the difference. So this right here, empty, nada. And then over here, boom, piece de resistance. Check it out. We have it right there. And I don't know, it just allows for a little better workflow for me, I guess. The shirt. Hey, can you check out the shirt? Check out the shirt. Thanks to the sister girl. She went to the Disney store and she was like, hey, I got you some Baby Yoda. I was like, awesome. So anyways, let's get back to working on that beat. And let's see what else we can come up with. Yeah, but first, we need a snack. We got our snacks. We got some birthday cake ice cream in a cake cone. So let's get to work. Change of plans. Why? Because I'm unpredictable as fuck. So, I have a simple drum pattern I created. Okay, so now, together, as the dream team, what we're gonna do is we are gonna find a melody to chop and sample. Okay, so we are rocking 85 BPM. Why? Because I was the year Marty McFly went back in time. Back to the Future, let's go. Ooh, that sounds fun. I went ahead and I grabbed the melody, and what I did was I half-timed it because that's like my cheat code. You know what I'm saying? Can't help but cheat. I was raised on GTA 3. Hey, that rhymed. Anyways, so this is what the original melody sounds like. Alright? And then halftime it sounds like this. And then that's the build-up that gets into the chorus. And now, I found like a cymbal, and I think I'm gonna add it like, you know, just to spice it up a bit. So let's do that. If you pay attention, you can hear him snoring. Tell you right now, I love having a dog. Lately he's been getting on my nerves because he doesn't let me sleep. But I fucking love him to death. I am an enigma. I'm a crackhead, whatever you want to call me. But check it out. This is what we're having for lunch today. Chicken, some broccoli, and a little bit of arroz. And we're starting a new beat. Hey, I'm trying to keep the juices flowing. You know what I'm saying? The chicken is juicy. Let's get the juices flowing. Let's make another beat. Let's get to work. Okay, so that was trash. Let's see if we can find a melody. Okay, I like that. Get some broccoli in the system. Okay. Alright, so that sounds pretty good so far. Let's add some 808s. 808s. Somebody commented in one of my videos on Instagram. BTW, if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. I don't post periodically. But anyways, somebody commented that they were vibing to one of my beats. They're like, yo, it sounds really good. And they're like, it was a metronome. So let's take off the metronome and see how different it sounds. Hey, hey, hey. Okay, so obviously it sounds good. I think the only thing we need to do is add a couple more hi-hats, but I think we're pretty good. Pretty good so far. I think one of my biggest concerns is that all this waving around with my hands that I'm doing, I hope I'm not throwing up any gang signs or any offensive signs. Anyways, that's going to be it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I will see you in the next video. And like always, do not sleep on me. Later.